Good day, YouTube. We are here with Santa Claus, and we are here to ask him why he never come to Jamaica. Huh? So Santa, why you never come to Jamaica?
Well, you know, last time we come to Jamaica, them robbed me, you know. Them robbed every single thing for me. But you know what? I could just stop. Just watch this. And you see what happen. Alright.
Just arrived in the countryside of Jamaica, you see? Them shoot me out of the sky. Man, the countryside in Jamaica hot though. How am I going to get up on this roof though? This country house don't look right though. What do you? I'm not saying I'm not chilling.
I want to come here. Yo,
Yo, come on, Rado. Come on, Faru. Yo, come on, Faru. Hey, boy. Oh, yeah, man. Yo, come on, Rado. Come on, Faru. Yo, come on, Faru. Hey, boy. Oh, yeah, man.
hey boy, come on, fella.
Right now, Santa tired, you know. We can't even bring the join at this place, you know, because why them thief everything for me.
Sir, shoes us one time.
My shoes left. Oh wait, me not no shoes. Oh my shoes there now. I don't like this life in Jamaica. The countryside.
Sir, the final shooting star.
Shooting star. Hold on there. How me feel so free? How my pants there? What how me head feel so free too? How my heart gone? Nah, come back to Jamaica, you know. Nah, come back to Jamaica. See them teeth, everything for me.
But wait, who full Santa? He can come out Jamaica and come do so. Santa get robbed. Sail out, sail out, sail out.
Well, thank you for watching this week's episode on Bright Future Star TV.
Yes, and you know, I was the special guest, Santa Claus. So now what I want you to do, like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thank you very much. And remember, Merry Christmas, everybody, and a
Happy New Year.
Yes, nice. You. Subscribe.